Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial that's going to take your online privacy and browsing security to the next level. In today's digital world, protecting your personal data is more important than ever. While many VPNs advertise top-notch protection, not all of them allow the flexibility you need. That's where Dark Tunnel VPN stands out. Unlike pre-configured VPNs, Dark Tunnel VPN gives you the option to customize your settings for maximum security and speed. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and then set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. By the end, you'll have a secure and fast internet connection that keeps your data private and your browsing unrestricted. If you want to stay updated on more VPN tricks and hidden tips, don't forget to check out our blog. And before we begin, if you're new here, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. From the search results, select the official UDP Custom website. This is where we'll create our V2Ray VMess server account. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu icon, which often appears as 3 horizontal lines, commonly called the hamburger icon. Tap on it, and a list of options will appear. From there, choose the option to create an account. You'll be redirected to the account creation page. Enter your desired username, complete the CAPTCHA verification, and then click on the Create Now button. Within moments, your server will be ready, and you'll see all the details displayed on your screen. Make sure to copy those details carefully since we'll need them in the next step. Now, let's move to setting up V2Ray on Dark Tunnel VPN. Open the Dark Tunnel app and you'll land on the home screen. Look at the top right corner and tap the 3-dot menu. From the menu, select the Config File option. Next, click the Import button, then choose Clipboard. Paste the server details you just copied, and your data will import successfully within seconds. Once the data is added, go back to the home screen and tap the Connect button. In just a few moments, your V2Ray VMess server will connect successfully, giving you a secure and fast-speed internet experience. And that's it. You've now created your own V2Ray VMess server and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.